So, did you hear the news? Matt's getting married. I'm not sure if you know the story, but he met his fiancée on the bus. She was just sitting on the seat across from him and he just started a conversation. Turns out they went to the same uni, just 1 year apart. Anyway, they've started planning their wedding and are hoping to save the ceremony early next year. Something small and intimate, just family and close friends. If it's not too close to the city, we should have everyone book rooms in the same hotel. That way we can stay for the whole weekend.